morning all of you. I am Dr. N. Vijay Lakshmi, Professor in Ayurveda and Yoga Consultant. Today we are going to discuss about Nidra, the sleep, which is mentioned as Trayo Upastamba, one among the Trayo Upastamba. Trayo means three, Upastamba means three pillars of life. The sleep is considered as one of the important Upastamba, pillars of the life. So, the Nidra plays a very essential role in our well-being and good health throughout our life. So, the qualities of sleep are, it helps to grow, for growth in children and teenagers, and for proper functioning of the brain and good health, one has to sleep for 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and this sleep is important for cognition, brain function, memory power, concentration, focusing, productivity and performance. Due to sleep deprivation, sleep disorders will come such as depression, stress, lack of concentration, lack of focusing, lethargy, weakness and morning headaches, poor memory. So sleep is as vital as breathing air and food, and sleep helps in body reset, regain and rejuvenation. Hence, Ayurveda consider sleep as most important pillar of the life, and Nidra provides sukha, happiness, pushti, nourishment and growth, bala, immunity and strength, vrishata, that's the potency, libido, sexual power, gnanam, intellect and the knowledge, jivitam, longevity of life. So these are the advantages of proper sleep, and one should not sleep in excess or in hina matra, that is very less quantity of sleep. And if one who is not observing proper sleep, they have the disadvantages like dukkha, misery, grief, emaciation. So go on watching TV throughout the night, definitely he will lose the weight. It is called karsyam. Abalam, loss of strength, immunity. Klibata, impotency. Nowadays throughout night they are not sleeping, and definitely they will suffer from infertility problems in both male and female. Agnanam, that is the ignorance, non-intellect, and ajivitam, death also happen if anybody is not sleeping for so many days. Both less excessive sleep, both are harmful to the body just as food, and the Nidra relaxes body, mind and senses. And the Ratri Jagaranam, what are the disadvantages? First one, the person will get constipation because there will be lack of digestive capacity. So lack of digestive capacity leads to indigestion, which leads to constipation. Next one is weakness, giddiness, reeling sense, lack of concentration, hyperacidity because of indigestion. There may be horripilation, there may be acid eructations and epigastric burning sensation, and burning sensation in the eyes, palm and feet. If anybody, due to unavoidable circumstances, they may not sleep, the person has to keep awake throughout the night. What he should do next day? He should sleep for 4 to 5 hours before taking food. It helps, it facilitates for better digestion to have strength. So who can awake at night? These are the Kafaja constitution, obese people who are poisoned, and who are taking diet rich in fat, and the poisoned persons. And next, what are the general remedies which we can observe at home? Because due to COVID-19, all are under stress. Because of stress, we are not, some persons may not get sleep. So that what are the measures to be taken at home itself? First one is, in Ayurveda there is dhara. Dhara therapy is the pouring of medicated oil or medicated ghee depending on the constitution and condition of the patient. they will select accordingly. They will go for dhara. This relaxes the senses and mind. He will have a sound sleep. Next one is the pichu. Pichu means the cotton soaked oil soaked cotton to be kept on bregma position and to be covered with a cloth by putting in between a leaf, and half an hour to 3 hours it has to be kept like that, so that it also relieves the stress. Next one, taking bath before going to bed. Next one, and pada abhyangam, foot massage relaxes the senses and mind. Next, taking warm cup of warm milk mixed with 2 to 3 gram of ashwagandha powder, which facilitates better sleep. Next, coming to pranayam techniques, left to left, left to right, he has to go for cooling pranayam, because mind, the chan, the moon is the adhisthana. So left to left, left to right. Then Brahmari 21 times with Shanmukhi Mudra. Next one is Udgit Pranayam 21 times, Akar, Ukar, Makar, all the three in one. And meditation. Meditation is the conscious sleep, while sleep is unconscious meditation. So Adi Sankaracharya told the Nirvikalpaka Samadhi Avastha kept as sleep, because all the people will not have such a higher maturity level to attain the state of Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. Hence, Nidra is meant for this. Nidra is kept in human beings to receive the universal cosmic energy, so that one can able to see him and do the proper functions all the day. So I think all of you give importance, same importance to the food, breathing air, sleep, the same importance, and have a good sleep. Thank you.